This is Tajamul Adil. If you are looking for smart door lock for your home to enhance security with advanced features like encryption, notification and access lock, also while improving convenience with the remote access and keyless entry, then you click on the right video. In this video, I will explain you the process how to install a smart door lock with features fingerprint and keyless entry. I don't want to waste a lot of time of you, so let's get started with the unboxing of 2K51 smart door lock. Now I'm doing a comparison between two leading smart door locks, the 2K51 fingerprint with the keypad lock and the Touch 41 fingerprint lock. With an OLED display indicating battery status, the Smart Lock Touch 41 fingerprint door lock offers fingerprint access and no parameter options. The cylinder length is adjustable from 40 mm to 55 mm, while the thickness can be between 50 mm to 100 mm. The Smart Lock 2K51 fingerprint door lock features a keypad option, but it lacks an OLED display for battery status. Additionally, its adjustable lock cylinder allows for easy retrofitting on doors that are 55 mm to 95 mm thick without the need for professional tools. Smart Lock Touch 51 is suitable for most doors with a thickness between 55 mm to 100 mm, while 2K51's fingerprint smart door lock is suitable for doors with a thickness between 55 mm to 95 mm. These are the sizes of the rear handles for both the smart door locks. Touch 41 fingerprint door lock is made for stainless steel with zinc alloy and plastic. The weight is almost 600 grams. Smart Lock 2K51 is compatible with the most wooden interior and entrance doors. To begin, let's unscrew the front handle cover of the 2K51 using the included Allen key. After you take off the handle cover, you will see a space of 3 AAA batteries. At this moment, I am detaching the metal cover from the Touch 41 smart door lock. When you open the cover, it will provide the choice of using 3 AAA batteries for power. Currently, I am placing the 3 AAA batteries into the 2K51 and turn it on. Setting up the smart door lock 2K51 is quite straightforward and hassle-free. You can complete the installation in less than 10 minutes. After installing the smart door lock 2K51, the most important part is how to configure and learn how to unlock the door with the keypad, fingerprints and RFID cards. For a comprehensive guide and detailed instructions, please read the manual thoroughly, which outlines all the steps for configuring fingerprints, RFID cards, and admin password for the 2K51. Begin by pressing 0 and click the lock button 2 times. Following that, enter your admin password to set up new fingerprints and click the lock button again. Finally, press the 2 button on the keypad and use ahead and use the finger we configured earlier and see how it works. Is it installed properly? To start, press 0 and click the lock button 2 times. Then enter your admin password to install an RFID card for unlocking the smart door 2K51. Finally, press the 1 button on the keypad and use your RFID card to finish the setup. How about we test the RFID card to see if it's working smoothly? It's really handy for unlocking the door quickly. You can unlock the smart door locks using WELOCK mobile app as well. Just download the app and configure the 2K51 using QR code. Launch the WELOCK app and follow the instruction to set up fingerprints and RFID cards. The great thing is that you can unlock the door using the mobile app just like you see in this video. The WELOCK ToucA51 standard fit blend of modernity, ease of installation, and robust design. Unlocking the smart door locks take only few seconds with the fingerprint, RFID cards, and keypad. 2K51 buying price is $203 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in home security with the PTZ technology, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.